Hey there, history buffs! Welcome back to another exciting journey through time. Today I'm taking you on a virtual journey to the beautiful northern coast of Mallorca, Spain. This region is known for its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and of course its historical landmarks. We're exploring Alcudia's iconic Church of Sant Jaume, or as the locals call it, Iglesia de Sant Jaume. This church is not just a place of worship, but a symbol of the town's enduring spirit. Let's dive right in. Originally built in the 14th century, this church has been a silent witness to centuries of history. Imagine the countless stories and events that have unfolded within its walls. Over the years, it has seen numerous renovations, the most significant of which took place in the late 19th century. Why, you ask? Well, the original structure had suffered the ravages of time and needed a grand makeover to restore its former glory. The original structure had fallen into disrepair and it was time for a grand makeover. The renovation was a massive undertaking, involving skilled craftsmen and architects who worked tirelessly to preserve its historical essence while giving it a new lease on life. The Church of Sant Jaume is a stunning blend of Gothic and neo-Gothic architectural styles. This fusion of styles gives the church a unique character, making it a visual delight for architecture enthusiasts. Its façade is particularly noteworthy, adorned with a large rose window that catches the eye from afar. This window is not just a decorative element, but a masterpiece of craftsmanship, reflecting the artistic sensibilities of the era. And let's not forget the bell tower. This towering structure has stood the test of time, serving as a sentinel over the town. This impressive structure can be spotted from various points around town, acting as a guiding beacon for both locals and visitors. Its chimes have marked the passage of time for generations. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a vaulted ceiling that seems to reach for the heavens. The sheer height and grandeur of the ceiling are awe-inspiring, creating a sense of reverence and wonder. The interior is a treasure trove of religious artwork and statues, each telling its own story. These pieces are not just art, they are windows into the past, offering glimpses of the beliefs and values of the people who created them. The altar and other decorations are a reflection of the rich history and religious significance of this sacred site. Every detail, from the intricate carvings to the vibrant colors, speaks of devotion and craftsmanship. Now let's talk about the location. The Church of Sant Jaume is nestled within the old town of Alcudia, a place that's surrounded by incredibly well-preserved medieval walls. These walls have protected the town for centuries, adding to its historical charm. This area is not just rich in history, but also bustling with life. The old town is a vibrant hub where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Narrow streets, historical buildings, and vibrant local culture make it a must-visit destination. Every corner of this town has a story to tell, and exploring it feels like stepping back in time. If you're planning a trip, the Church of Sant Jaume is open to visitors and is often included in guided tours of Alcudia. These tours offer a wealth of information, making your visit even more enriching. Imagine strolling through picturesque streets with plenty of shops, cafes, and other attractions nearby. It's the perfect way to soak in the local culture and enjoy a leisurely day. It's an experience that's both enriching and relaxing, but wait, there's more. The church is not just a historical monument, it's a living part of the community. The church is an active hub for community life. It plays a central role in the lives of the locals, hosting a variety of events that bring people together. Regular religious services are held here, and it also serves as a venue for various cultural and community events. These events add a dynamic element to the church, making it a place of both spiritual and social significance. Concerts, festivals, you name it. The church's acoustics make it an ideal venue for musical performances, adding another layer to its multifaceted role in the community. Especially during the town's traditional celebrations, this place really comes alive. The church becomes the heart of the festivities, drawing people from all walks of life. For more detailed information about visiting hours or specific events, I recommend checking local resources or tourism websites related to Alcudia. These resources can provide up-to-date information to help you plan your visit. Thanks for joining me on this virtual tour of the Church of Sant Jaume. I hope you found it as fascinating as I did. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more fascinating historical explorations. Your support helps me bring more of these incredible stories to life. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. There's always something new to discover in the world of history.